Most amount of house for the least amount of money. That's what bungalows were touted to be when they came into fashion in the early 1900s. So here in Denver, the bungalow movement was from about 1905 to 1930, and today I'm standing in the middle of a 1925 bungalow here in West Highlands. So 3301 West 36th Avenue is coming to market today. I'm very excited to bring this sweet little house to you. So I just wanted to show you in this home a couple of features of the bungalow just to help you get more familiar with this architectural style. So one of my favorite features of this home is this very sweet fireplace. So the bungalow movement grew out of the arts and crafts movement, which was led by William Morris in England in the early part of the 1900s. So William Morris and the arts and crafts movement were big proponents of return to nature, and beautiful patterns characterize their work. So here in this fireplace, you're going to see brick, and you're going to see just very simple patterns. Here, you're going to see some more simplistic patterns kind of here as well. And there in the hearth floor, you're going to see that diamond pattern repeated. You're also going to see things like built-in bookcases with natural wood. And what I love about this house is the William and Morris-esque style wallpaper. So wallpaper is definitely having a moment. So if you're a huge wallpaper fan, this house definitely has that feature. So another feature of the bungalow style is a more simplistic window and door casing. So this is very much a reaction to the more ostentatious high style of the Queen Anne and the Victorian era. So again, in their desire to return to a simplistic, more natural look, you will oftentimes see much more simple window and door casings. Typical as well of this era is more built-in cabinetry in the hallway. So this is your linen cabinet. This is all original. You can see here they're often really nice and deep, perfect for towels, sheets, linens, all of those things. And another thing that this house has that I absolutely love is all of the original hardware. So the last feature I want to show you about the bungalow is the exterior construction. So typically bungalows were just one story. They had very wide eaves around the house just to give a lot of shade, especially important here in Colorado with our 300 days of sunshine. And they had really generous front porches. So I'm going to take you outside and show you that. But just to wrap up, here's a little note from the Historic Denver Guide to Architectural Styles about bungalows. They represented a simpler, more efficient, low-maintenance lifestyle, which is still true today. And bungalows replaced the Denver Square as the most popular style of house in Denver from 1910 to 1930. So thank you so much for joining me on this tour of what is a bungalow. And if you'd like to see this particular bungalow, we'll have it open all weekend. Just give me a call. I'll be happy to show it to you.